a time, there was a vendor at the market. He sold fruits and vegetables with other vendors. One day, a thief appeared. He stole money and ran away. The detective heard about it that very morning, quickly to get information about the thief.
Hey people, buy my fruits and my vegetables. They're cheap, not expensive. Oh no, people, the thief took all my money. I will find the thief. I will help you, detective. Thank you.
The detective heard that the assistant had found the thief. The thief had placed the money next to his head. The assistant was hit and the thief ran away. Stop, thief! I've got you. Take your money.
Thank you.
And so the thief was arrested by the police and the market was safe once again.